Well, this sucks.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Matt, and this is rural Iowa. Today we're going to be taking a pretty special trip. We're going to be going to Colfax, Iowa to their used tractor junkyard. Never been to a used tractor junkyard, so I'm excited to see what this looks like. I'm going to take you along with me. We need to find some parts and pieces for my John Deere 2630 with the PTO Engagement Lever. Busted the lever off, and John Deere wants $500 to fix it, and I don't want to give them $500, so we're going to try and go to a junkyard and see if we can pick it up for a little cheaper. For right now, I have to put a bucket back over the exhaust of the 2630 and get packed up, and then we're going to head out there. Let's go. Hey, what's going on, everyone? We're back. I finally got all the parts that I need, and we're gonna finally rip away the plastic and try and get this thing put back together and hopefully figure out what happened, why it broke in the first place. This is why we're here. This piece is broken, and this is what it was inside of when it broke. So I got the replacement parts. So let's get this stuff, let's get the tarp pulled away. Try and not throw all my stuff that I need on the ground. Here's the piece that I got from Colfax, Iowa. This is a, looks like it didn't have the high-low gear on it, but I'm going to be taking this piece off, so and also this piece right here, and moving it into the other deal, and we'll go from there. That's your high-low, which was right here, and this is what we're going to be replacing. This one right here, this right here, looks the same. It's got the same bolt holes, just this one didn't have high-low. Okay, as you can see right here, these are what busted off. We got the new old part. That's what busted off. We got our new old part. We're gonna go ahead and reassemble it. We're gonna clean this up a little bit. Then we're gonna reassemble it and get it put back on the tractor. Hopefully it's that easy. Never messed with one of these before. Definitely not a professional when it comes to doing this. This is all denial and error. Goes in like that. Then we need our washer to go in like that. And then it fits into here like that. There we go. Okay, like that. That's functioning. So now we need to get this washer down. We take our piece here, snaps right on there. So now we need to add our set screws. So we drop our ball bearing in there, drop our spring in there, and our set screw. All right, got that one started. I'm going to start this one. So again, ball bearing, spring, set screw, and that's where we got into trouble, I think, because those ball bearings, if this thing comes down too far, which it'll come down too far because this has too much free play when it's not in gear, that the ball bearings, I can't see in that, but inside here, there's two ball bearings that come in on these set screws, and that's what this indentation locks in on. And they're too far in. They're too far in, so now I gotta back the set screws back out to be able to get the shifter back into the correct position, which is what I think happened originally. So what we're going to do is we'll adjust that when we get it on there. One of the ball bearings fell clear out, so I'll have to take this back out. Well, I'm guessing what happened is when it goes past the point, that then it just catches and then pushes and bends it. And I'm going to try and straighten it out with some pliers. Yeah, we're going to try, or I got it as straight as I could. Oops. See how it does. Try her again. Lined up right now, so here we go again. And this time, don't move it. All right, I have this thing put back together. Always make sure you unhook your PTO if you have anything hooked up, if you're testing this stuff. I don't know if I have it set up right. I think I do. I think I feel it. We'll start it up and we'll see what we got here. Contact. PTO is not engaged right now. Let's see if it'll engage. Hey, it's working. Yay. Push it down and it's off. Good. Got it fixed. So I ended up ordering a new temp gauge. We're gonna try and put that on. Hopefully it didn't get it hot. I didn't run it very long. We'll see if we can get this on. Hang on. The temp gauge on this tractor hasn't worked. Here's my temp gauge. Can't even read it. So I ended up getting Atlantic Quality Parts temp gauge 1407-576. Bought it off Amazon. We're gonna see if it worked. I'm not sure. Got this temperature gauge all set up. Gonna start this thing, run it, see if we get some temp in this. Check back with you here once we get some temperature in it.
Alright, so I lost my audio for some reason, but the tractor's running well. It's come up to temp. Haven't found any leaks, so I'm going to take it out and do some mowing with it, see if it gets hot or not, since I didn't know before. We'll find out now. We got this thing all buttoned back up. The PTO works. The temp gauge works. Things been running pretty good. I was able to finish mowing finally the one field of at least I finished one field of the 3 potential ones I'm wanting to do this year. And once I got that done, I'm wanting to start doing some tree clearing. But I did check on the mower here, looked at the bottom of it. I have no gear oil leaking out of it, so I think I did a good job on that. Still got a leak right here on this connector box. But that's gonna be probably my next project when I get time. I will be pulling that off. I have a seal kit for it, and I'll probably make a video on that. I won't throw it in with this because it's getting too long, but it's kind of hard on this tractor having it run as hard as it has. It's probably the hardest it's run in 6 years, because about 6 years ago I chipped up a bunch of trees with this and it worked pretty hard then. But no, I appreciate you guys watching, and if you like this content, let me know. Like and subscribe. Make sure and check out the other videos of the maintenance I've done on my skid loader, on my couple mowers I got. The John Deere 250 skid loader is pretty neat and informative video if you have one of those. But take care, guys, and we'll catch you in the next video. See ya. Bye.